Good evening, friend. Good morning, good afternoon. So anyway, I go back to now in the show tomorrow. So this is my start again. So long time. I am very excited to go back to enjoy my show in my jury. So tomorrow morning is around Sunday. So if you, I am live in the Bada Falan. So anyway, so if you interesting to go to in some Eagle breakfast, I think so you can I see me over there. I am very excited to so I go into the show again. And then have November, I am going to the show. So see you sometime in the show, friend. I wish to see you all my friend from in the boat. So I am excited to go back to in my business to the jury to get that show. I miss this one traveler all the time, but for now I am this one is very simple or is the very short this show. I think we have more activity this year in here. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. So I wish to see you again in the boat. So now I am very excited to see you again. So now I have Hoban's brand new jewelry. So I am working to jewelry couple weeks now. All right. So see you later on. So if you're interested, visit too in the booth sometime tomorrow morning. All right. Bye bye.